Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. In today's video, we will be learning how to redeem code in Garena Free Fire. To redeem a code in Garena Free Fire, open a web browser first. Open up your web browser on your mobile device or your computer, and then in the URL box type in reward.ff.garena.com. You will then end up in this Free Fire redemption site. Go ahead and log into your account using the options available at the top. You can choose Facebook login option, Google login option, and so on. After you are logged in using one of your accounts, you will then end up in this text box. Type down your redemption code in the text box at the top. After entering the code, click on Confirm. The system will verify the code instantly. If the code is valid and active, you will see a confirmation message saying that your reward has been successfully claimed. So that's how you can easily redeem code in Garena Free Fire. You can now get back to your Free Fire app on your device and go to the in-game mailbox to claim your reward. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.